Yo, what's good, people? Trying a different angle this time around. So yeah, just wanted to make this video real quick, just breaking down the trade that I actually lost today. Lost like what, $87, but I made a mistake that was very dumb. So I'm just gonna break it down now real quick. I should be in bed by now, but gotta get these videos up, man. I realized my mistake. So obviously we had that sell-off. Come market open, look at price, it just shut the bed, and then we needed a correction right on the 4 hour. So obviously I forgot that we need to make this lower high because it's gonna, so this doesn't count, this is just price fighting. It needs to move up, swing, and move down like a wave, you understand? So I scaled, obviously that was a 4 hour needing it to correct, right? And then look at this. So come session, I come this morning, price was moving down, moving down, moving down. Then buys pushed up, moved down, gave us a lower high, and then it just bought up like randomly. It's around 7. Then okay, I'm like, okay, I saw that, I marked that out, and then okay, price did indicate. Tell me why I didn't pay attention to this, because I'm like, okay, price gave us a lower high sort of, but it did not no. I didn't think this as a lower high. I'm like, okay, price pushed up here, there's buy sitting here, then it pushed down, then session came through. Then I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for a lower high. And then I forgot about this whole indication that happened here, because I'm like, okay, if price breaks this, then I'm gonna be like, okay, we in for sales. So it broke this higher low, I guess, as you can see. But then remember, the 4 hours stronger than the 1 hour. So it did this indication for a reason. And I keep forgetting the first indication is what counts in most cases. But then in this case, it was like an A plus setup where it's like, yo, price needs to buy to create that lower high on the 4 hour, for the 4 hour. Because remember, the 1 hour is going to bleed into the 4 hour. I made the dumbest mistake by not taking that into consideration. So I saw this move down. I'm like, okay, this is a lower high. Let's take price down. So I was in profits for a bit. And then it just started ranging for most of the day. I had my stop loss here. Then I moved it back up here. It's like $60 here. And then I moved my stop loss to here. And then ultimately, so it was something like this. So when this candle started pushing down, I entered somewhere around here. My stop loss was above here. Then I'm like, you know what? Let me just move my stop loss here just in case. And then I wanted price to come back to I set my alert here because I'm like, okay, price should come to this level. Then I checked throughout the day. I'm like, oh, okay, it spiked. I'm like, you know what? It's gonna buy. Then I realized why I lost that trade. It's because we had that indication here on the lower high. Because price was moved up, it should have continued selling off, but it didn't. It indicated, corrected, session came through. This could have been my swing low. But this confused me when it broke this. This would have been my swing. This would have been my higher low for session, because session's always gonna take over everything, and price is gonna move the way it needs to move during session. So, bro, I would have like waited for session to finish off this big ass candle drop, bro. As soon as I saw, okay, it closed here, then it pushed down. As soon as I saw it start like moving up, this would have been a sign for me to enter. Like, yep, we're moving. This is the swing low that I was waiting for. This is what I was waiting for. Still my stop loss below there. And I realized like, and I'm seeing it now, like I would have done this like legit. Then just targeted like a 1 or 4 or something, which you would have made, like literally no, like, and a risk-free trade. I wouldn't even be worried about the risk, because I knew price gave me that high low, that swing low that we needed. Yeah, I would have ranged a bit, dropped, wouldn't even close to my stop loss, right? Wouldn't even close to my entry. Okay, this candle maybe, but I would have like, yep, price is moving, because the session's gonna move price the way it needs to move. So I just overlooked this indication. I was like, damn, why did I overlook this indication? But it's fine though. I would have taken price up, kind of like how I did last week when I recovered my other account. But I don't know why I overlooked this, because I'm like, okay, you see what I see? Okay, I guess I just need to wait for price, like maybe an hour before session starts. I could just check Okay, check the charts. 9 o'clock, session came in, boom, then boom. Got that swing low, let's take price back up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, bro. A plus setup, but it's okay. German didn't really give me anything. It just started shooting up. correcting. So I'm just like monitoring price now because it's at that level where it broke or it gave us a huge ass gap. So I guess it needs to fill that gap, and on the 4 hour looks cleaner, you know. It's just pushing up, and then tomorrow we might not get the sell off, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to indicate back bearish again, but then we'll see what price wants to do. Because for now I can even mark this up. Got a nice swing low here, high low, and then yeah, boom. At that 4 hours buys level, I remember I used the raise for the 4 hour. Oh shit, what am I doing? I'm not supposed to do that. Oh, okay, that's fine. 4 hours is the raise, the box is for the 1 hour, so I can see what price is doing, so I don't get confused and stuff. But yeah, that's essentially it. See, it's got support. UK 100 has the same thing. Had that push up, gave us that support. This indication kind of confused me, but it was just the heaviest correction, but it's fine. And price was struggling to push here, so I don't need this anymore because that would have been my sign. I could even take price back up here, set my stop loss below, but nah, I don't want to catch the move, you know, because price is gonna move it in that direction anyway. So especially on the 1 hour, so I was comfortable taking it like that. And you can also mark up our swing low here, and then yeah, just wait for price to do its thing. Remove that, and then yeah, you just see where price goes. Yeah, you live and you learn, man. But I'm not too bummed about the trade. I was at full conviction. I wasn't worried about the risk. I was okay with it. So me losing is like, okay, now I know why I lost. Because my initial idea was like, oh, it indicated I should have went with that bias. But and realized the 4-1 needs to make that lower high. And also gave us a huge ass gap. So there were so many confluences playing. So I think it's me being at work. I wasn't really like, I didn't have time to wake up and see the charts properly and like analyze properly. Because I just logged, okay, put my phone away because I'm at work. But now I realize that now I need to like sit down properly, you know, and see what price is doing. So I'm gonna try and figure out a way around that. Like I just like have at least like 5 to 10 minutes. I don't need so much time to like analyze, and then before session and I'm okay, it does this, I'm gonna take this and do this and do this, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I need to get data so I can go to the toilet and actually analyze, because I can't do it at work, that's for sure, because they're gonna see me on my phone, and right now things are a bit tense, so I don't wanna be like, but you're always on your phone, all that stuff. So yeah, again, it's the last week of ICC bootcamp. Yeah, man. This point is like, it's just bread and butter, bro. Like, there's really nothing else. Price moving heavy though. Working education. I might even start reversing, but we'll see. We don't know, because the 4 hour has a lower high here, so who knows? Who really knows, bro? I guess I should use this then. I think price is done selling off, but we'll see what happens tomorrow, bro. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna love and leave y'all. Peace.